Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
You understand?
Understand? What age is just a number. Boss. House of Freedom. Boss. Come on, shake. How is she going to shine video party? Oh yeah, baby, also. All right. How are you? Good to see you. Long time. Good to see you. Where is your mom? How is she look sexy when you back? How are you, my love? I'm kind of see. I'm sure Chaka. I face I'll do. I want to sit down. You need cream. I look fine. That what's the person to look fine in the mall? Oh no, it's not into person. Balogun. I'm an actor, a filmmaker, and a philanthropist. I want to say happy birthday to my father, my mentor, my advisor, my gist partner. Long life and prosperity. I wish you all the good things of life. May God bless you and yours. I love you.
How long have you known Alaji?
Forever. Give and take, I'll say like forever, because I've been a fan before I became a daughter. I started listening to Wasiu's music when I was like 19, 20. I love Wasiu's music. Apart from, before I met him, I was a huge fan that I sing back to back all his musics. So I was a great fan before I became his daughter.
So which of his songs intrigue you most?
I have plenty. I know from the 90s, trust me. But you know that pressure of this, you understand, will not bring it. But I'll just sing one because of what is happening now. Fathia ti bàjẹ́. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ẹ má stop it.
All of the stop. Oh yeah, let's go. Stop fighting. We are there. Oh yeah. So I'll just sing my favorites. Kò síbi tó dàbí ìlú mi o Naija. Kò síbi tó dàbí ìlú mi o Naija. Pẹ̀lẹ́ yẹn jore.
Okay, quick one. That song you sang now is about patriotism. So what do you have to say to Nigerians at this moment?
All I'll say is it's my choice. Whatever I do is my choice. I'm an adult.
Thank you so much.
No, sorry, please. There will be something you love most about Alaji. Can you please tell us?
What I love about Alaji is he's a motivational speaker. He's intelligent. He's a deep person. When you sit down with him, trust me, you get one or two from him. I've learned so much from him, and I'm so delighted, pleased to know him. He's a good pay. Very
You're
good.
the only person we're going to ask this question. There is no positivity without negativity. Can
Sure.
you tell us any negative thing you know
About
about?
Alaji? I see me in him, trust me, because he has this mood swing that when he doesn't want to talk, he doesn't want to talk. You don't force it. And I have same thing. So I appreciate that fact that he has his own moments. So if you study him well, you understand, you know that when he wants his moment, he wants his moment. So give it to him when he wants his moment. Because I'm the same person, so when I want my moment, I want my moment. So that is what I will say about him. He has his own moments and he has his mood. So when he's in his mood, Alaye, move on. Don't go to him. That's it.
Thank you so much.
You're
God
welcome.
bless you.
Thank you.
Moving on.
ẹ ṣe mo tẹ́ ń fi iyọ̀ ẹ fi gbogbo ẹ̀ sí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀.
Bá fi mí lẹ́jọ́ tó bá ti lọ́nà ní àjò.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.